Welcome back, Bokir Nation. Today we have a brand new vehicle with us, fresh off the wharf, brand new to Jamaica. Alright, this vehicle just came in. We have the 5 Series BMW right here. You know what I mean? It's looking beautiful. But guess what, my peeps? There is a problem. There is an issue we need to fix with this vehicle. As a matter of fact, there is a big problem. Let me show you right now. On the inside of the vehicle, there is mold. Alright, mold all over the seats. Mold. In the center console, we got mold, my peeps. Alright, in the rear of the vehicle, mold. Look at this. Mold, alright. Let's check out around this side. Mold all over. Look at that. Mold. Alright, so the story about this is, while this vehicle was being shipped to Jamaica, we understand that the windows were left down and the water got into the vehicle and it was sitting on the wharf, and that created mold. Okay, alright, so the Go Care team was called in to solve this problem. Okay, so we're going to give this a full interior detailing, but we are dealing with mold right now, and mold can be dangerous to your health. So we are going to take all the precautions, all the safety measures to make sure that the team is safe. Alright, so we will be detailing this car with gloves, eye protection, hand protection, skin protection, everything. Alright, and we will be cleaning this, so stay tuned for the finished product. Team is here setting up, getting ready. Let's go. We're getting ready for the surgery, serious operation. First, we're going to blow out the interior to get rid of as much of the loose mold that is in the car before we even enter and start to clean. Okay. This is the first stage of removing the mold. It's coming out good so far. Team is working. Stay tuned. So, got to get rid of all of this. Okay, so we are now finished with the interior. We are now going to give the exterior a wax and not a polish. Okay, so this is a wax because this vehicle is fairly new. It don't have a lot of imperfections on it, like swirls and scratches, so that means we don't need to polish this vehicle. What we're going to do is give it a hand wax. Okay, so we have our product right there. We already applied some on the polishing pad, so we're just gonna spread this out all over the vehicle. Alright, and then we're gonna come back and rub it in evenly, and then we give it some time to set on the vehicle and do its magic, and then we're gonna come back and buff it off to reveal a wonderful shine. After a few minutes, we are now removing the wax from off the vehicle, and as you can see, it's looking super shiny. Look at that, my peeps. Now it's time for the reveal. Alright, The exterior of the vehicle is looking amazing, okay, but the interior was the problem. So I went on the road and left the Go Care team at work. We're going to check out the vehicle together. We're going to do the reveal together, my peeps. Let's do this. Let's see the condition. This was one of our biggest challenge yet, okay. After 3, drum roll, let's see the condition of the vehicle after 3. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Wow, look at this, my peeps. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at the result the Go Care team got. Remember how this vehicle was full of mold, my people, all over. There was mold all over these seats. Mold in the center console. Look at the center console now, my peeps. Amazing, nice and shiny. No more mold, no more smudge mark. This vehicle is looking brand new. Wonderful, awesome job by the Go Care team. Let's check out the rear of the vehicle. Oh my God, look at these seats. These seats look amazing, my peeps. Look at it. No more mold. Oh my God, I'm so proud of the Go Care team. Look at this. This is nothing short of amazing. Look out, check out the door panels. Nice and crisp, my peeps. Let's check out the driver side of the vehicle. The steering wheel was full of mold. Everything had mold on it. Look at the steering wheel right now. Nice and crisp. This is amazing. Awesome work once again by the Go Care team. Wonderful, awesome work by the Go Care team. Remember, when you think mobile detailing, think Go Care, my peeps. When you think mobile detailing, think Go Care. Okay? All of this seat were covered in mold, and we had to take some extra precautions, you know what I mean, to protect ourselves before we interior detail this vehicle. And we got some amazing results. We put the steamer to work. We had to get some additional chemicals to clean this, but at the same time we have to be careful that those chemicals didn't damage the leather, and we achieved that. Everything came out nice. The customer is super happy. I am super proud of the Go Care team. Another job well done. Contact us for your interior, exterior, high quality mobile detailing. 332-9754. Let's go.